this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up custom controls with Cephable for games like Minecraft. Cephable comes with a ton of different pre-built app controls, but there isn't pre-built app controls for a lot of different games. However, Cephable does come with templates for different types of games, so you can customize those app controls for yourself. If we go ahead and explore these app controls, we can search for game and find these different types of pre-built controls like 3D role-playing game. In here, we can see some of the out-of-the-box controls for what are common different inputs and outputs and mappings using keyboard and mouse in 3D role-playing games. There's pre-built voice commands, quick action buttons, and head movement here as well. So we have things like WASD for movement, we have jumping built in, and in games like Minecraft, these are perfect. We don't have to make many changes. But we can now take this template, call it Minecraft, because that's what we're going to be using it for, and then we can add any custom controls. I'll just show you a simple example, but you can customize these controls as far as you want to. One of the things that I do in Minecraft a lot is open up my inventory. So I'm going to add a control where I'm going to add a voice command and say inventory and hit next. And now to open and close the inventory, we use the E key in Minecraft. So I'm going to press a key or button, come down here, and then select E. And I'm just going to tap it, but you can map any of these different keyboard shortcuts or key mappings that you're using. When creating custom controls for different games, make sure that you double check that you didn't make any custom rebindings or remappings in the game too. Otherwise, you might have to come back to Cephable and make those changes here as well to make sure they're mapped correctly. But now I can go ahead and click Save and Finish, and then come back to my dashboard. Now I can switch to my Minecraft controls that I just created. I'm going to turn off automatic control switching, so if I jump into other apps, it stays on my Minecraft controls. And now I'll switch over into Minecraft and show you just how you can use these different inputs from the out-of-the-box movement, jumping, and our custom inventory. Now over here in Minecraft, we can try out some of these built-in controls and our custom inventory control too. So I've got my microphone ready to go. I'll just have to have it resume listening. Then I'll hide the panel. We can try doing things like movement, switching our items, and of course, opening up our inventory. Start listening. Hide panel. Go. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Inventory. Inventory. Go. Jump. 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 And just like that, we've got some voice controls ready to go for different things from the out-of-the-box 3D RPG app controls with Cephable and any other custom things that we add. You can continue to customize and add as many different inputs as you want to your custom game controls and personalize it for you, whether it's for simple things like that or for running all sorts of different macros or anything else that makes playing games more fun or easier.